So today, me and Miss Ayla, say hi Ayla.
Hi.
We are going to make some yummy oatmeal balls. This is something we make when we have a little sweet tooth, right? And they're a great alternative to all those Christmas cookies and sweets that we've been eating.
Christmas cookies?
Yes, we've been eating a lot of Christmas cookies, right? So this is a healthy alternative when you have that little sweet tooth. So you're going to need some chia seeds, some quick oats, some peanut butter. What else we have, eh? Cinnamon. Honey. We have coconut oil and your favorite chocolate chips. Yeah. So we're gonna just mix it all together and you pop them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and they'll kind of harden up. That coconut oil will harden them up so they're not like gooey and fall apart. And they're just a delicious little snack. All right, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, so first we're just gonna take a cup of oats, right, Abe? Go ahead, put them in. Very good. Now we'll do, let's just squeeze some honey in there.
No, I want to say honey buns.
Honey buns? You want to squeeze the honey buns?
Yeah.
We'll do it together. And you don't want to overdo it, but I just do it till it tastes good. So, you can see, not too much. Okay, now we'll put in some coconut oil. I just like to get like a big scoop. Obviously, this is much easier if your coconut oil is softened, which, you know what, we're probably totally gonna have to do. So, I'm gonna wait on that. I'm messing this up. It's okay, it's been a minute. Okay, I'll put some cinnamon in. Yeah, do a lot.
Like 5.
Sure, we'll try 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, let's do 2 more.
Okay, 2. 1, 2.
Very good. And I just do like a nice big thick scoop of peanut butter.
After that, we do
Maybe
this
2.
chocolate chips.
Yes, that's Ayla's favorite part, right, Abe? That's the wrong lid. Okay, and then we'll put in some chia seeds. I like to just dump some in.
Yeah.
It's probably, I mean, I wouldn't do more than 2 tablespoons, so that's plenty. And then, I know, it's okay. I'm gonna soften this coconut oil in the microwave and hope that it all goes well. Let's see, I've never done that before.
I can't believe it.
So we have always lived in a warmer climate until October we moved here to Virginia. So my coconut oil has never been in a solid form before. So this is a first. Let's see how it melts in the microwave. I'm not sure. Let's see. Well, it's not melted. I did 15 seconds, but it's definitely soft. So let's try it.
Don't you think
All right,
about
now we
Mom?
just open those. Can you open those chocolate chips, little miss?
Oh.
And just mix it up real good. Make sure all the oats are coated.
I can't open it.
You can't? Okay. Do you want to try to stir this?
Yeah, sure. Oh gosh.
Tastes
Oh
good.
gosh. I can't open
So we just put, I don't know, a little handful.
Oh my gosh. Thank you,
Chocolate chips
Ayla.
now. And then you gotta eat one, of course.
Huh?
I know you want one. Stir, stir, stir. Let me see, baby. Very good. And this is a pretty good consistency. So you'll see I can like smash it down and you can make little shapes. So, ew. So what do we do next?
I gotta show it.
Okay, what do we do next, Ayla?
Demons?
Honey buns? No, well, first you gotta taste test. Oops. How's that? Yummy?
Good.
Good? Let me try. Delicious. So now we're just gonna form them into little balls, right? So they're pretty sticky right now, so you have to be careful. They're not gonna be a perfect ball, and that's okay. And then I'm just gonna make room in this cute little Christmas tin. So we're eating healthy treats instead of Christmas cookies. There used to be Christmas cookies in here, right? So just form them into little balls like this, and then pop them in the fridge for, you can tell they get hard.
I'm looking.
Perfect, Ayla, this cute little guy. Messy balls, but they're there. They're trying to stick together. Okay, now I'm gonna pop them in the fridge. Okay, so they've been in the fridge for what, 10 minutes, you think? And now they are nice, hard little balls. See, they don't fall apart. Okay, Ayla, go ahead and grab one.
Okay.
We eat it together. You want that big one, huh?
I want chocolate. Please.
Okay, pick it up. Take a bite. Mmm. What do you think?
It's good.
We did good, right? You love it? Cheers. All right, that's it. Healthy alternative to the Christmas sweets, and super simple and delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Say bye.
Bye.